Hi folks, the topic is the Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is a mathematical model act like algebraic functions. This mathematical model may be a graph or matrix or function and so on. We were studied algebraic functions in our childhoods like f of x equal to y equal to x plus 2. Here, the output value. So here the y is the output value and x is the input value. The output value must be dependent on the input value. The input value can be taken from real numbers like 4 and 0.5 and -7 and so on. The operations between those values are addition, subtractions, multiplications, and divisions. Generally, these algebraic functions related to human. The Boolean algebra is related to the hardware circuits. The Boolean algebra is look like f of x equal to y equal to x plus 1. Here, x is the input and y is the output. The output value must be dependent on the input value. The input value can be taken only 0 or 1 because the machine language is understand only binary languages. Therefore, the input value taken only 0 or 1. The operations between these values like not and or and not and so on, but here not and or are the basic operators. Then one of the important questions asked myself why we are studied Boolean algebra as a computer science students or software engineers assumes if you are working as a design analyst can be written multiple algorithm for a given problem like algorithm 1, algorithm 2, algorithm 3. Then later one big efficient algorithm is picked from multiple algorithm. Then this algorithm is converted into particular high level language. Then this high level language is submitted to the microprocessor through operating system. Microprocessor take the input values and produce the output value based on the instructions. Here, here this microprocessor which consists of control unit, arithmetical and logical unit, and resistor unit. These are the digital logic circuit which is constructed by many companies like Intel, Pentium, ARM, Snapdragon, like that. But, but one of the challenge of this company is how to construct efficient digital logic circuits. So here, how to construct efficient digital logic circuits? Therefore, Boolean algebra is come into the picture. Boolean algebra is a mathematical tool to which is used to construct efficient digital logic circuit based on the time complexity and space complexity. Here, time means how many times will we take to produce the output for a particular digital logic circuits. And space complexity means how many number of gates are involved in particular circuits. The